So if you want to lead like Fred, I'll give you an easy way to remember how to do it. It's an acronym. The F is find the Freds you've already got or the Freds you want to employ. Look in the marketplace for people who have the right heart. You can teach them the skills, you can't teach them the heart. And when you found people internally, recognize and reward them. Be lavish in your praise. Make it exciting to come to work, not because people are performing like a stick and carrot, but because people know that you value good performance and extraordinary service. But here's the catch. They can't do it if you don't teach them how. You've got to educate them. You know, when I speak to audiences, I find that almost every person in every audience anywhere in North America has a roll of duct tape at home. Why? Duct tape fixes anything. You can reattach a severed limb with duct tape. Do you know there's one thing duct tape does really poorly? You know, right? Doesn't seal ducts well. It's inferior at its intended purpose. And the reason I mention duct tape today is it's a warning to you and I not to be duct tape leaders. See, a duct tape leader is a leader who does everything their team does except what makes them a leader. The only two ways to grow your business is grow yourself and grow your people. Most leaders go through an entire day without ever intentionally devoting themselves to the growth and development of themselves or their team. Don't tell people to do something you haven't taught them to do, because expectation without education equals frustration. It's when you show people how to be extraordinary, how to connect, how to build relationships, how to make a positive difference. That's the key. Which brings me to my final point, and that is the most important part about leading Freds is to demonstrate it in your own behavior. And you saw Jennifer's linkage between engagement and service scores. I mean, it's a no-brainer. She had the data, but I'm here just to share the principle. When you demonstrate it to your team demonstrates it to the customer, and they demonstrate it to the community.